What's up, guys? We are back with another auto auction update, man. We're here at the local auction checking out some rides today, man. If you've been following me, you already know what time it is, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you do that. You already know what it is. Let's get right into it, guy. First up, guys, we got a 1981 Elco here. Mileage is unknown. This thing is a rag dog. Rag. Got a little motor in there, Edelbrock carburetor, a little original 350, probably even a 305 if you will. Oh shit. Oh, I'm glad my hand wasn't right there. Damn. Anywho, this thing is freaking stripped to the T, to say the least. I didn't even know you can like put stuff under that little bed right there. Got a whole like trunk and everything full of like clothes. Yeah. Only if it was like running and looked a lot better. But hey, if you find an Elco, this will be a perfect parts car, as it's like the body looks pretty much intact for the most part. I don't know. I know we're not getting it today, so we're moving along here. We're just gonna show you the cars that we know we're not gonna bid on. Just go through these really quick. These are like not running, so no use to take up your time and waste your day looking at random cars. But I don't even think this Sienna runs as well. Let's see, yeah, this one doesn't run. We got a 2000 Toyota Avalon here, 103,000 miles on the dash, guys. From a first glance, the body does look pretty fair. I don't see anything that stands out just yet. If we take a look at the inside, we do have this cloth, light gray leather. Definitely smells like a casino in this joint. Somebody was a smoker. It only has 103,000 miles on the dash, which is a plus. If we take a look around this side, we got a little tequila kick here in the bumper there. Nothing too crazy though. Excuse me. And then we have a dent in this door as well. All of these can easily be pulled out, so this actually might be a decent ride, judging if it runs good or not. So who knows? We'll check it out and see what it goes for at the auction here today. Guys, to be honest, I don't really see any kind of cars up here that I like or I think you would like, so I'm just gonna give you a quick walk around. We're not gonna go each car today. Not really trying to spend all my time talking about cars that nobody likes, so you guys just see what they have up here. Most of them don't run. Most of them look pretty beat, to say the least. Bad motors. Excuse me.
You have these they're every week, basically, right?
You got a 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit? Yeah, that's what they call it, a Volkswagen Rabbit. 111,000 miles on the dash here. You're gonna need some hubcaps initially just to get this thing sold and looking nice. But if you take a look in the inside, you got that cloth black interior. I mean, it looks pretty fair. However, it's a Volkswagen. May not even run good. Who knows? We'll check it out when the auction starts. But yeah, not my cup of tea, so we're moving along, guys. Got a little Civic, 194,000 miles. This one might be pretty fair. Might be pretty fair. Who knows? You got a little radio, tan interior. Thing is whooped. Definitely gonna need a full detail here. 194 on the dash. Excuse me. Who really knows? Got some aftermarket taillights there. You're gonna need a full new set of hubcaps. And you're gonna need a side mirror here. Yeah, guys, I'm really not even interested in these cars up here today. They got some weak, regular looking cars, nothing extravagant at all. But we do have a nice little Toyota Camry here. That's pretty cool. It's salvaged though. We have a 2003 Toyota Camry, 165,000 miles on the dash, guys. Does hold a salvage title. We can check it out really quick. It is on like some white and black rims, which is cool, I guess. If we take a look at the inside, it does have this like gray cloth interior and everything looks pretty fine on this. Don't see anything that stands out. That window's down, so it may be broken. Can actually swing around. All the lights are like smoked out, which is cool. I mean, it's not a bad deal. Seems pretty fair. However, it is salvage, so selling a salvage car, it might be a little bit harder than you think. But moving along here, guy. Moving along. Got a Nissan Altima. The whole back of the bumper off the mook. Off the mook here. Oh dang, you got a CTS. However, the axle is freaking broken. Axle's been on that joint. Yeah, the axle's been on that one. And these things have a lot of problems too. So me personally, and it's like we can't even look inside of it. Got a little Jeep. Oh, that little Jeep looks pretty decent. Let's see what year it is. We got a 2008 Jeep Patriot, 176,000 miles on the dash, guys. Might need some new tires here soon. If we take a look at the inside, it does have black leather interior. This seat is pretty whooped. The back does look pretty fair. Does have the sunroof as well. We take a look around this way. The dash and interface and everything up here looks pretty decent. Yeah, I don't see anything that stands out. I mean, the body is pretty intact for the most part. Does have a little bit high in mileage. Although, I mean, the Jeeps, they may be a pretty good running car. I don't know. If you know about them, let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys. We got a 2004 Dodge Durango here, 170,000 miles on the dash. If I'm correct, this might be the one that's leaking gas. Not really sure. But we can check it out. Does have that cloth gray interior. I'm pretty sure this is the one that's leaking gas and stuff. That's probably why it's here in the back. This thing been at the last, like, yeah, this is definitely why I remember that bullet hole. So this one is leaking gas. I'm sure if you guys been watching my channel, you remember this one. So no need to spend all day on that. Let's get to the cars that we haven't seen yet. Alrighty, guys, we got a 2005 Pontiac Grand Prix here, 210,000 miles on the dash. I'm sure this thing is gonna go for crumbs. The windows are all rolled down, so I'm sure this definitely won't be the item for me, as these windows are broken. The inside and stuff looks super, super dirty. I don't even want to get dirty, guys. I'm looking, not even really looking, just feeling kind of fly and fresh today, you know, real clean, like I should feel every day. But anywho, moving along, they don't really got a good option of cars here today. So we're just gonna keep this video pretty quick, to say the least. We got a 2001 Chevy Suburban here. No key on this one. And that tire is all off the mook. So yeah, we're moving along. Next up, guys, we got a 2007 Chrysler Sebring here, 156,000 miles on the dash. From a first glance, does look like it's pretty intact, to say the least. Missing a little blinker there, nothing crazy at all. You can actually get that headlight sanded out and buffed out and get it looking good again. If you take a look on this side and just take a look at the inside, it does look really good. It has those cloth gray interior seats, which is all intact, no rips or anything like that. So this actually might be one of the better cars here today. However, it is in the back of the auction, so it may not run too smooth, but I mean, the body and everything is intact. I don't see any blemishes or anything like that, guys. So this actually may be a pretty decent buy. What do you guys think about the Chrysler Sebring? Me personally, I mean, I'd bid on it, but it has to be running good. I don't really know too much about the Chryslers. Next up, we got a 2009 Ford Fusion here, 144,000 miles on the dash. Got a tequila kick here in the front on the fender there. Tequila kick there on the hood. It does have that black and red interior. Black and red leather. I don't know if this car came like that or what. Then they drew on the steering wheel. These guys were from LA, of course. Yeah, you got a gangbanger's car right here, but this thing is like wham bammed up. Wham bammed up, guys. Keeping it moving here, keeping it moving. Impala, 154,000 miles. Not really a fan of it. Not really a fan, guys. Usually this auction here has some pretty decent cars. However, the lineup today is pretty weak, to say the least. You might be able to fix this thing up, though. However, I don't know. Not really feeling it. Not really feeling it, guy. Got an Impala here. It's pretty whooped. 127,000 miles, man. This thing is like all different types of whoop, guy. Super dirty. The inside, no radio. Yeah. So if you guys understand why I'm not as enthusiastic and energetic about these cars, man, you should already know why. None of these cars are like really good looking yet, I guess. But moving along here, we got a little Toyota Corolla. This is a clean little car. It's a clean little car, but we'll get back to that. I don't know. I'm feeling like I'm about to leave, guys. I'm ready to dip. Got a little Benz. 59,000 miles. I'm sure something is wrong with this one. Leather interior. Pretty dirty up in here. Pretty whooped. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy at all, man. I don't know. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm not really feeling it today. Not really feeling this auction right now, honestly. 300C, not even the C, it's just the 300T. PT Cruiser back there, Ford Fusion, Dodge Caravan. Yeah. It's pretty much all like old cars up here today, guys. So we're gonna end this one pretty quick. I know you guys aren't interested, and I'm not either, so it is what it is. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.